So I contracted with Landmark to do the complete turnkey, the whole exterior. That's the siding, roof, windows, and doors. Everything you see was Landmark roofing. It's beautiful. It's a complete rehab, essentially original state from when it was built in the early 1970s. I was looking for a contractor that could come in and do the exterior turnkey. It was very important to me. I'd never worked with Landmark before, and it was great. Met with Bryson. Bryson came in and immediately, without even understanding what I wanted, but he had, the same vision. So that was what was wonderful. And I knew from the get-go it would be a great working relationship before even seeing a quote or entering into a contract with them. Just like any normal buyer would do, talked with 2 additional companies, so a total of 3 companies, and without a doubt Landmark was the best. Not only in price, but just in quality of workmanship and the vision, and then also knowing that they're a local company, right? Being that Landmark is here in Severna Park, that was important to me, that they're a small business. I knew that there would be attention to the detail, and if there was an issue along the way, that they'd be easy to communicate with, and that I could just go ahead and stop into their office right down the road any point in time. Once I signed the contract, I think they did the roof almost the next day. Because that was important doing the construction on the house, was getting the roof done before anything else. And then and the roof, I think they estimated it'd take about a week. I think the guys knocked it out in 4 days. They're there communicating with you throughout the whole process via either email, phone calls, or text, and that's all the way from Bryson to the project managers to actually the crew that's doing the work, and it's various crews depending on the project, and they're just all just extremely happy to be there doing the project. To have a crew that is enjoys what they do and you can tell works well together, you feel confident at the end of the day that you can trust the work that they're going to do. I pinch myself coming home at night seeing the house. Everybody's just thrilled with the transformation. They're just, everybody's asking, well, who did the siding, who did the roof, who did the windows? And I'm just always happy to say Landmark.